Today I will reveal to you an idea that I did with my old bike. I can make my old bike much more useful. Watch this video to see how awesome it is. I have a 12-volt battery, but I haven't used it in a while. I will check if it still works or is broken. You know, if you leave the battery unused for too long, it will easily get damaged and then we have to throw it away. I will use transformer circuit and incandescent bulb to test. It doesn't work. I'm afraid it's broken. To be sure, I should use a voltmeter to check. I used a mechanical meter and set it at 12 volts. Luckily, the battery is still working fine, just the voltage is reduced. Now I will make myself a generator so I can use it and charge the battery. First, I used PVC pipe with 76mm diameter. Use a ruler and mark 10 centimeters on it. Then I used a saw to cut the plastic pipe. Note, cut in a circle around the plastic tube. After cutting, you should clean the pipe section thoroughly. Next, I used a 27mm PVC pipe. Use a ruler and pen to mark several 15mm segments on it. Use a saw to cut them into small pieces. I use sandpaper to grind the edge of the 27mm plastic pipe. Next, I will attach the small pieces of plastic tubing to the 76mm plastic pipe. I use special glue to stick them together firmly. I used 1mm copper wire to wrap around the plastic tube. I wouldn't wrap the wire in a straight line, but would wrap it a little diagonally. Note, do it evenly to get the best aesthetics. Each row I will wrap 20 turns of wire. Do you know what is the purpose of me winding the copper wire like that? Yes, I am making stator coils for my generator motor. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. After winding the copper wire, we will cut off the excess copper wire. Next, I used a sheet of mica paper and used a marker to mark on it 2 76mm circles. I used a knife to cut 2 pieces of mica. Then I used a drill to drill 2 round holes on the 2 pieces of mica. I used 2 small bearings and mounted them into the round hole of the mica part. Use specialized glue to fix firmly. I used a long nut as the rotor shaft for the motor. I used a piece of 27mm plastic pipe and 2 caps. Use a drill to drill 2 holes in the 2 covers. Place the nuts into the 2 holes on the lid, then use the bolts to tighten them together. Next, I used special glue and attached a piece of mica to one end of the stator coil. Then I used 4 round magnets, hot glued them to the rotor shaft. Note: stick the magnets symmetrically to each other. Then put the rotor shaft into the stator tube. Continue using special glue to attach the remaining mica to the other end of the motor. So I have completed a generator motor. Next, I used 2 plastic bottle caps to make pulleys for the motor unit. I will mount the pulley I just made onto the shaft end of the motor. I will add a stand to the engine. I used a wire connected to the copper wire on the motor. Note: use tape to wrap around the wire connection. This is my old bike. I will put the engine I just made next to the tire. Use straps to secure the engine to the chassis. Now I will check my generator. I need someone to help me ride my bike. I will use a fan to test. Great, the fan is running. I'll use another bulb. I had success with my generator. It was great. I will use this generator to charge my batteries. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 2 hours of running, the generator fully charged the battery. I will use a multimeter to measure the voltage of the battery. Great, the battery is fully charged. I will use the trigger circuit to use the bulb from the battery. A bright light shows that the battery is working properly. What do you think of my creative idea? It's great and useful, right? If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much.